Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A cooling rack is a device that you put hot baked goods on straight out of the oven. There are many different designs of cooling racks, some are non-stick. A great many cooking racks are still made out of steel covered with chrome. These tend not to be dishwasher safe and will rust away if you put them through.
Let's help you make your mark.
Wire cooling racks work great for keeping food up above a greasy baking sheet, but they can be a pain to clean afterward. To make cleanup easier, fill a baking sheet with hot, soapy water. Then flip the wire cooling rack upside down and let it soak until it's easy to wipe clean.
Take our lead.
A kitchen utensil that is used for placing cooked foods onto a surface that will enable the food to be cooled on all sides after being baked, either food still in a hot pan or food removed from a baking sheet or pan and placed directly onto the rack.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But a cooling rack can also be used to heat things up. When you cook meat or vegetables on a cooling rack, it effectively functions as an oversized roasting rack, allowing the hot air to circulate evenly around the food. To do this, of course, your cooling rack must be oven safe. More on that below.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.